everyone, Christina here with Creating with Christina, and I want to share with you my card kit I am offering in July. I'm calling it Christmas in July, and I just want to share with you these beautiful cards. So whenever I do a card kit, I usually offer 4 designs, but I give you enough material to make 8 cards, and that does include the envelopes, plus the written instructions and video tutorials. Now, my card kits also come with different options. So before I get into all that, though, I want to share with you these what comes with this card kit. So this card kit, these are the designs here. I'm using the Evergreen Elegance bundle. Now, if you already have this bundle, that's okay. I offer options for people who already own it, or if you want to purchase it yourself. So that is the bundle I'm using. The other parts of the card kit, you will get a half a pack of the Tidings of Christmas designer paper. Isn't this just beautiful? I love the Evergreen Elegance and simple, the soft succulent, along with the cherry cobbler. Just so pretty together. I love it. Oh, and then also the crumb cake here. All right, also, besides the paper, I'm putting in the rhinestones here, the holiday rhinestones, which match beautifully with the paper. And then also you get an entire spool, 10 yards of this beautiful linen and gold ribbon. It's so pretty. So let me show you the cards again. So there's 2 of them that I did in the red direction, in the red horizontal direction, and then I did 2 green in the portrait direction. And the fun thing about these cards is that you don't have to do them exactly like I do them. You can use whatever designer paper that you want in the pack. I just picked these 4 pieces. Okay, so you get all of that in the card kit. What else do I need to tell you? Okay, the different options. So first of all, my website, Creating with Christina, is where this card kit is. It's under classes, but I'm also going to leave a link in the description below. So option 1 is you want all of it, okay? So that would be the stamp set, the punch, the paper, the bling, the ribbon, all of the material to make the cards, the instructions, and also a small thank you gift from me. Now, option 2 does not include the stamp set, okay? So option 2 is just the paper, the rhinestones, and the ribbon, along with all of the cardstock and everything you need to make the cards, the instructions, and the videos. So that's option 2. And then finally, I have one last option, and that is just the tutorial. So nothing would be actually mailed to you with option 3. You would get an email with the link to the videos and the PDF file for instructions. But you would have to purchase everything else yourself. So those are my 3 options. One more time, show you these cards. Like I said, the link is in the description below. So there they are. They're so fun. I love this set. And this, of course, is the bundle, the Evergreen Elegance with the punch. So there we go. And I'm calling it Christmas in July Cards Kits by Mail. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will talk to you again later. Bye-bye.